Yeah, hello. Today I want to show you how to pair your JBL free headphones to your smartphone, and you do this via Bluetooth. Okay, so let's get started. First, we look here at the smartphone. We go to the settings screen, and in there we're going to select here the Bluetooth menu, and we enable Bluetooth. So now you may already see a couple of devices that you previously paired. And then down here, this is what we want to observe here. There's going to be the JBL free headphones showing up at some point. And we do this here by just opening up the lid of this charging container. And then we remove the right earpiece of the headphones, just the right one. That's the one with the little hole here on the side. So we just take this out. As soon as you do that, the very first time you pair your headphones, this will automatically show up here, just like you see now. And then you just select this here. Okay, and then it will automatically connect. See, the JBL free now says it is connected. And then we can take out the left earpiece. And now still the left earpiece has to connect with the right earpiece, and it will automatically do that. Okay, so now in case you're having trouble with connecting with your phone, one thing that you can do is, let me put the left piece in here again because we don't need that right now. So in case you are having trouble with connecting the earpiece here to your smartphone, what you do is, this here it says JBL, this is actually a button. See, and what you do is you just press and hold this button here for 5 seconds. And when you do that, then it will eventually start blinking. See, just like now, I don't know if you can see this yet, it starts blinking blue and white. So blue and then white, blue and white. And this puts the headphones into pairing mode, it forces it into pairing mode. And then it should now, if it's not connected already to your smartphone, then it should be showing up here now. And then you can select this. And now also, if you're having trouble with getting sound on the left earpiece and you're just only hearing your music on the right earpiece, then you need to pair these two earpieces together. And you do that by pressing and holding these buttons here on both earpieces at the same time, and you do that for 3 seconds. Let me show you how this works. So 1, 2, 3, and now they should be paired. In case you're having trouble, you can try that to get them both paired together. Alright, so this is it. I hope this video was helpful, and if you're having any questions, then please leave a comment below, and don't forget to check out my other JBL headphone videos.